Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Emre. Today I'm gonna make moussaka.